Mark Sturdy here with another quick snippet from our research this week from 7 Days Ahead. And looking at the summary page, you'll see that unlike the last few weeks, we have arrived at an interesting situation in both the US Treasury note and oil of all the charts pushing in the same direction. And it's the sort of thing we're looking for constantly to provide very interesting opportunities for investors and traders. So it's with that in mind, I'm looking at the 10-year notes that we have researched this week, and note that in the first place, the large-scale chart, monthly chart of yields really re-emphasizes what we already know, which is that the market turned dramatically in the early 2021 and drove yields higher. It drove them much further than this pattern would suggest, and the market was sustained by the creation of, as well as this head and shoulders reversal, the creation of a triangle which drove the market on again. The minimum move that this triangle here was met, and having done so, the market drifted. The market's drifted back to the first and most important support in any bull market, which is a prior high, 4.08 yield. And I think there's a good case to be made for that to be good support, and the market is has no desire to break down through it, in which case this is a good bull moment for those who wish to buy yield, sell price in the long-term chart. There's added evidence for that in the very short-term chart, which is, this is a price chart of 10-year note futures, the December futures. There was a case last week, we pointed out, I think, that even though there was good resistance above the market from these prior lows, there was a case to be made for the possibility of a head and shoulders reversal that might be a catalyst for a bull push into and beyond the resistance from those prior lows. It looks as if that has now failed, that pattern. If you note the price action here, there was never a moment when a convincing close above the neckline was established with which to complete the pattern and drive the market further upwards. So we have a double failure here. Once at this band of resistance from prior lows, and twice in the failure to complete this bull pattern, creating, I think, a good opportunity to sell in price terms, buy in yield terms, in the same direction as this well-established and enduring bull trend in the very long term. Thanks very much.